Most welcome to the platform of Inside Chemistry, guys. Today we are having most important video that contains the topic of oxalic acid. Previously we had studied about hydrochloric acid, in which we had studied the production, the structure and the uses of hydrochloric acid in our daily life. Now we are going to study that what is oxalic acid, its structure, its uses, and also we will study about the production of oxalic acid. So first of all, you know that oxalic acid has this formula COOH bond with COOH. This is the condensed formula of oxalic acid. So what this acid is basically, this is transparent, colorless and odorless form of crystal. It is formed in the form of crystal that are transparent, colorless and odorless. Secondly, in plants food constituents are major sources. You know that in our daily lives we use plants as well. So the plants contain this oxalic acid in major amount. It is also occurring in honey. In this concentration there is 200 mg per kg and endogenously produced in human and about 25 milligram excretion. So this is we can say that it is also, this acid is also formed or produced in human body. The weight of oxalic acid, normal weight is this, and this is 1 to 6.07 kg, okay. And then the strong organic acid, dicarboxylic acid, it is the strong organic acid, we can say. Its IPIC name is ethane acid. Okay, its IPIC name is ethane acid. Its molecular weight is 126. Okay, its solubility is this. You can see that 1 gram per 7 mole in water. In water, if we study about the solubility, that is in this concentration. When we talk about the specific gravity, there is 1.65, and boiling point is this, and melting point is also mentioned here, and validity is also 4.4 in air, in the form of air, and vapor pressure is this, less than 0.001. And then when we talk about the production of oxalic acid, you know that in the hydrochloric acid we had also studied the reaction that include some oxidation reactions and burning of fuels. In this way the oxalic acid is also produced in the form of some reactions that include oxidation of molasses by nitric acid. When we use nitric acid with sulfuric acid and water, this is called molasses, okay. And the catalyst used is vanadium pentoxide, that is V2O5. So this is all about the reaction in which oxalic acid is produced. So this is the reaction that glucose and nitric acid in the presence of V2O5, that is catalyst, and H2SO4, there is also second catalyst, and in this reaction here oxalic acid is produced. So this is all about the basics, that how oxalic acid is produced. You must know that here we use glucose and nitric acid in the presence of this catalyst. It is also called molasses, and this reaction, this oxalic acid is produced, plus nitrogen oxide. This is the side product. We are not doing with this product, but this is our main product. Oxalic acid is produced with water, okay. Now when we come towards the uses, the first use is cleaning agent. It is used as a cleaning product. Second thing is industrial and individual usage, and it react with other chemicals, such as other chemicals, to form new products. Or we can say that it has many textile usage, dejumming of silk, printing on cotton and dye on wool. These are the major usage as a textile products, okay. Then the domestic usage in bleaching, polishing, kitchen level, etc. Or some advantages we have extra usage, you can say, can be reused. This oxalic acid can be reused as a product when it is going to be side product. It can be reused. Or the second point is found in plants and when taken required quantity is safe. It is, you know, that we had talked previously that it has major constituents or major concentration in the sources of plants, so it is required for the plant's food. Okay, elimination abnormal cells, you can say that it is, this is the most important point, that elimination of abnormal cells. Some, you know, that our body contains some abnormal cells as well, and this oxalic acid is used to mm, demolarize or reduce that abnormal cells. So the second last one is reduce cancer. You can say that oxalic acid can reduce cancer cells or demolarize some cancer cells. And the last one is very useful for beekeeping or beekeeping products. Okay, it has also some disadvantages of oxalic acid. There is cause extensive damage to plants. You know that it is in higher amount in plants, so it can cause extensive damage to plants. Corrosive to human, it may be corrosive to human. Remove calcium from blood. It also remove the calcium is vital element for human being, you know, so it will remove this element from a human or plant body. Cause effects in a kidney, it can cause bad effects to our kidney. And crystalline form is poison. Its crystalline form is poison, as we thought that it is formed in the crystalline form, so that the crystalline form is in poison form. Has harmful effect on environment. It has very harmful effects on environment due to the pH shift. It may contain high or low pH, so the pH shift may be responsible for harmful effect on our environment. So these are all about the oxalic acid. Hope you had loved our video. So stay with us, like and subscribe our channel. Wassalam.